All right, we're gonna go. So we spent 2 days talk about a lot of financial stuff, which is probably more important than pre-calculus. But Nicholas was not here. 50-year mortgage. Yeah. Huh?
So you put it in like over the back.
No. Not yet. Guys, either me talking or you talking, or you raise your hand, you talk. Okay, so put your computer away, put your phone away, make sure, and no more things on my ceiling pole. Okay, so yeah. Anyway, so any what we talk about is actually we talk about three type of things that is probably not a good idea. Um, 50-year mortgage is probably not a good idea unless you have no kids, no wife, die by yourself early. Then you can probably make the money back. Um, Otherwise, the 50-year mortgage is probably doesn't mathematically make sense. Even a lot of economists who actually supported Trump. For example, there's one Canadian guy who is on the what's that show that they had to pitch the deals to
Shark Tank.
Shark Tank. What's that bald guy's name?
Kevin.
Yeah, Kevin O'Reilly is actually a big Trump supporter, and he says no, that's a stupid idea. Even he says that that's a stupid idea because that's gonna be a total ripoff. Like I say, even I talk or you talk. If you talk, you just raise your hand. I'll let you talk. I'll let you have the stage. But those are the things that I think is very important. So student loan, I'm gonna send you a video about Adam Ruin all that talking about student loan, how bad a student loan is, and also credit card payments 22%. Student loan also have subsidized loan and subsidized loan. Yesterday, I don't know if you remember the difference.
What's good, what's bad, or what's worse?
Yeah. Guys, one person. Yes.
One you can wait until you're like done with college.
Yes, that's what's called subsidized loan. But it's not you cannot wait until college. They calculate interest after you finish college. You're able to get a job. It's unsubsidized loan start calculate interest soon as you borrow the
Why
loan.
would you pick that one?
Huh?
Why would you pick that
Because some people not qualify for a subsidized loan. You have to be low income to qualify subsidized loan. If you have higher income, just like you are rich and you don't want to, you are kind of wealthy. Your family is not in the bracket, so you not in the pool or yeah. So then you have to get a unsubsidized loan. Unfortunately, that's gonna start charging interest as soon as you borrow a loan. So those are the things that's kind of important, and we talk about this questions. So we talk about depreciation. So depreciation. Depreciation is gonna be the price times 1 minus the depreciation percentage. So this is a depreciation, and you can usually look it up and to the T. So that will be the depreciation, how much money is depreciated. The cars depreciate, your iPhone depreciate, every computer depreciate. Owning certain type of car, a very expensive car, if you don't drive it, will appreciate. Yeah. So now, for what it was worth, if we could go to the next part, it's gonna be A equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT. Now, this is the equation that's always on SAT, which is Maddie, you need to pay attention. This is on SAT, write it down. No.
You heard the man.
Yeah. So you're gonna say what is n representing? Depreciation, no, the things are getting more less price as the time goes. This one's over, and yeah, this is not depreciation. This is actually like your
It's how many
mortgage
times
payment.
it compounds.
Yeah, how many times it's compound? So again, P store for principal, R store for interest, and let's just say if it's 12%, you gotta make sure you convert it to 0.12. And that just say n. N is how many times it compound. So you're gonna say what does that mean? So how many time it compounds? And the t usually is represents years. So how many years it goes? We're gonna come back and revisit this equation, but we're gonna start. I just say usually if you invest in Nasdaq like a QQQ or things like that, usually they give you a pretty good percentage. If you just invest on Nasdaq or QQQ or like a top 100 company in the world, usually they give you like 10%, 8 to 10%. It's very, very high percentage. It's very safe because you invest in those companies, they usually have, they usually have control of governments and they can kind of give them tax break and stuff like that. For example, Apple, Meta, um, Tesla, Walmart, all those big company usually gets a lot of benefit because they have lobbyists in Washington and they can manipulate the law toward favor their own kind, which is the billionaires. Um, yes. Um, I would like you to be a billionaire too.
I'm gonna be a trillionaire.
Sure. You do you. Just remember me when you are
I'll give you like
20 cents.
I'll give you as much money as you give giving me zeros.
Well, that's
So quite a lot, honestly. It's a lot of money.
yeah. All right. So n has a different kind. So n can equal to 1. That means annual.
Years.
N equal to 2 is semi-annual. You're gonna see the question gonna say semi-annual. And n is equal to 4 is quarterly. Do you guys remember this last year? N equal to 12 is a monthly. And n can equal to 365, that means daily. Usually, I think the credit card payment is daily. I'm not entirely sure. Semi-annual. So semi-annual. Four. Yeah. So let's just say you deposit, let's say you have we're gonna do a $6,000 loan. You borrow from credit card, and there was a 22% interest.
So
Okay.
equals one says what?
Annual,
And two is what?
semi-annual. Okay, let's say 22%, and you owe a credit card, and that's 22% interest, and it's compound. It's compound. Let's say monthly. Let's just say be conservative. Compound monthly. After 8 years, how much money would you owe? You can use calculator. Now, first of all, do you know why it's divided by n?
Yearly or
Monthly? Wait, 365. It's daily, every day. I think the problem is daily is they calculate interest every day. Um, actually, there's something worse. It's called continuously. Continuously is almost every second. It's like just continuous. It's just every time just gonna be human interest as many times possible.
Don't use that one.
22% after 8 years of credit card payment. I was told you how much is it. Did anybody got a number? Get a decimals out and figure out a number. Or monthly. So think about what monthly, what n need to be. How much money you got, Cole?
Like 34,000.
That's pretty scary, right? Oh,
Oh my god.
I got that as well.
Wait, I can do
that's how much credit card is really scary. 22% is a lot of money, a lot of interest. So if you think credit card is gonna be your best friend, if you know how to pay off right away, that's fine. Usually there's 25 days grace period, so if you pay it off 25 days, you don't have no interest. Yes.
I really use it for getting gas. Pay it off. You
That-
still get the same benefits as like someone who's normally like spends their credit card on like everything they buy.
Yeah, you use the same benefit because credit card give you points. So for example, I will use my credit card for Bank America credit card. If you have a really good credit with them, they give you 1% cash back. So that means every $100 spent, they give you $1. Now you can change your category to like gas. So on gas, sometimes the gas they'll allow give you 3%. So every $100 they give you $3 back, but you just pay all the time so that you can get a benefit without getting charged on interest because they are banking on the people don't know anything about interest. Because so for example, Trump will say 50-year mortgage. Everybody say yeah, that lower the payment by $300, but nobody's paying attention how much interest they're gonna pay later. So that's the things about he's not only politician does that, Democrat does that, Republican does that. Everybody just kind of manipulate the data, only wanted people to hear what they want to say. So that way, that's where they get their agenda passed. So it doesn't matter who is it. Usually, a lot of people. It doesn't matter what politician is. They all the same thing. So as a civilians, you have to understand how number works, and instead of just get, oh yeah, 50 more year mortgage sounds good. Make sure you don't have kids or wife. Die early. Die before 50 year, then you get your money back, right? So, but that's it. I do 30 years. That's much is it. So what happened? Why do you need to divide it by n? So a lot of times people don't like. Why is this significant? Why divided by n is very significant. So I'm gonna talk about why you need to divide it by n. Because this is called annual interest. Annual interest. So that if you have 6,000 like this, and then you say, okay, 1 plus 0.22 divided by 12. Why you need to divide it by 12? Because you cannot charge 22% per month. That means you had to break the 22% equally to 12 months. Does that make sense? So that's why you need to divide it by 12. Then you say, well, that makes a lot less. But wait, you get it back from the top part because you're going to charge 12 times per year. So 12 times per year on the top, and that says 8 years. So even though they cut the interest to divide it by 12 times, which is annual interest. In order for this annual interest to become monthly interest, then that's going to be 0.22 divided by 12. Is that okay? But I hear you want it, well, since we calculate interest every month, then it's going to be 12 times 8, totally 84 times throughout 80 years, or 96 times throughout the 8 years. So that's why after you did the calculation, you'll get what? How much money? Is everybody verified?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, what's the decimal places? 1.7. So if you don't pay any payment, and just let it accrue, they compound interest, compound interest, compound interest, compound interest, even just 8 year, and this would it be? And I will show you what it work, right? So I will even show you the data. So let's say if I take this, sorry, let me go to decimals. If I take this 6,000, and if you do 1 plus 0.22 divided by 12, and to the NT, so 12 to the X. So after each year, then you can see this is each year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This is how scary compound interest works, because interest on top of the interest. So you are no longer paying the interest based on $6,000. You base on the number is after first year. You base on the number is $7,400 for the interest. So you take extra money, and they use this money to calculate more interest towards you. So that's why in the second year is 9,200. Third year, it doesn't seem like it makes sense, because Nicholas told me that number is way too big. Cole told me that number is way too big. But this is realistic because you base on interest on top of interest. So that's how scary compound is. And not only that, you base on a charge 12 times interest. I think credit card is daily. I'm not entirely sure, but you can do research about it. One of the things I thought, like, I think like all the online virtual school is a BS. Just yesterday, I think Devin finished the virtual school for Hope, and I sent a message to the teacher. I said, virtual school is a scam. Told me it's not. How many people cheated through Hope?
How dare you? I did my afternoon successfully.
6 hours straight.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. That looks like 6 hours straight.
Solid.
Okay, so yes. What?
Did the teacher respond?
Yeah, I respond. She said we will address your concern. Devin Park is not gonna get credit now because of that.
I didn't think that was funny. It's okay. I'll bring him to wrestling. He'll be varsity.
Okay. I don't mind you taking him to wrestling. Okay, so this is how scary the compound interest. Now, does it always 12? Now let's change this to, let's say, daily. See how much impact it is. So if I change this to daily, right? So what do I have to change? I had to change it 12 to what? And here it's gonna be 365. Slightly more, but not a lot more than before. What was the last number again? 300. So daily is gonna give you extra $500. So I think the credit card using daily, because they can make more money out from you, because you have to pay back. So that's why a lot of people bankrupt. So because the credit card payments, because they try to borrow one credit card, transfer to the other credit card, and then transfer the other credit card, and they keep on transferring, and that's what caused, like, when you have had to file bankruptcy on long term. So this is a very, very important thing. Now, when I was talking about virtual school, the reason why I talk about virtual school is I do like one of the virtual school, which is a personal finance class. And I thought that class is really good. You took it?
Dylan take that right now?
Starting in the class of
Exponential data.
2027, all classes like from now on have to take it to graduate.
Yeah, so most of you guys have to take it, which is good, which is that class I support. Because every class, but you're gonna cheat. But still, I told him that's the only class you're not allowed to cheat on virtual school because you actually had to ask me questions. You actually had to ask me about credit card. You actually had to ask me about everything. And I break down the budget for him. I says, look, this is my teacher salary, and this is how much shit I had to pay. So this is basically what it is. Okay. Any question about how to use this formula? On the SAT, you need to know how to use this formula. This happens all the time. Got it? Okay. Now we're going to start with the exponential function. So today we're going to start with exponential function. That was a math.
Pertaining math.
Huh?
Oh, you know.
No, you need more. Even right now, we need more. Y equal to 2 to the x.
Well, dog. Maddie's an idiot.
I need you to make sure you do well on your SAT. One of the biggest thing on SAT is to ask you exponential functions. So since you're here, they must understand it. Okay. So you need to know how to graph them. So the graph them is actually, the graph, it has a anchor point at, if I do x and y, -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. If you plug in -2, it's going to be 1 over 4. So -2 is 1 over 4. -1 is 1/2. 0 is a 1. This is a 1. This is a 1/2. And this is 2. This is 4. So this is going to be like this. And this is going to be like this. So, and this is the graph of the u to x. 2 to the x. Actually, doesn't matter what is it. They always have the a horizontal asymptote at y equal to 0. There's an anchor point at 0, 1. And so those are the basic points that will be on the graph. If you have any exponential function, it's always this. Y equal to 2 to the x. Okay, so here's my question. Do you know how to graph y equal to 2 to the x plus 2? No?
Oh, like
Oh.
that.
Oh,
It's.
Is that your favorite letter?
yeah.
Why?
Actually are.
How to graph y equal to 2 to the x plus 2? No, don't go on decimal. You're gonna graph it without decimals.
Should look right into my name.
Wait, mystery, what was that equation of like the first one?
2 to the x, y equal to 2 to the x.
Could actually do work.
How many of you guys know what happened? Raise your hand if you don't think you know. Do you think you know?
Hold on.
Okay, we're gonna start with Caleb and go to Cole.
It should shift to the left to right, like the original graph.
Okay, does it affect the horizontal asymptote?
No.
The thing is no. So basically, 2 to the x minus 2 is going to be, every single point is going to be 2 units here. Do you see that? 2 unit, 2 units. So this is the graph. I'm just put on the same graph so that way you're gonna don't get confused. So I'm gonna put this blue graph. It's gonna be like this. It's basically those every point shift left 2 units. Every point. But the horizontal asymptote stay the same. Okay, horizontal asymptote stay the same. Does that make sense? Is that okay?
Shift to the right.
Mm-hmm. Now, what happened when y equal to 2 to the x minus 3 plus actually minus 2? So what would this graph look like?
Horizontal asymptote
Right down to
Which one?
down to.
Right 3 down 2.
Oh yeah, that's a good call. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, but you gotta be careful what is moving down. The asymptote is gonna go move it down accordingly. Does that make sense? So the asymptote is gonna go down. It's gonna be like down 2. So the asymptote is gonna go down here. And the graph used to be, so let's make sure the original graph is there. So that way you see it. So this one is gonna move right 3 units. So it's 3 units to the right. It's gonna be like this. Right 3 units. Okay, but it's gonna be down 2 units, so it's gonna be right here. Down 2 units, so it's gonna be here.
Live right now.
I think so. So this is this point. So that is gonna go accordingly. Now, in general, doesn't matter if it's 2 to the x, or 3 to the x, or 4 to the x. Usually, graph is gonna be roughly the same. I will show you why they are the same, and that way you can see it. Y equal to 2 to the x. It looks like this, right? What's the difference between y equal to 3 to the x? What do you think?
It is wider.
It is not really wider. It's gonna vertical stretch, but it's gonna go through the same point, same horizontal asymptote. Shreya, Gianna, look at 4 to the x, right? It just make it up, go up higher. Isla, damn. Can you go wash your face, Isla? So y equal to 10 to the x, doesn't matter what is it. It's always going to the same point, same characteristic. It could be y equal to e to the x, which is the graph that we always use in calculus. It's going to be to the x. It's going to be just same characteristic, just go into the point. The higher number is going to go up faster and it's going to go to the horizontal asymptote more flatter. And this only characteristic that you have to know the difference. So it doesn't matter if today I grab 2 to the x or 3 to the x, 4 to the x, 10 to the x, e to the x. They all have same horizontal asymptote, same y-intercept. Okay, same y-intercept, same horizontal asymptote. Is that okay? Okay. Make sure you understand that. This is a very, very crucial thing. So y equal to 2 to the x minus 2 plus 8. Hold on, negative 8. How do I find y-intercept? Okay, how do I find y-intercept? So go ahead and find it. Catch up. Find y-intercept. Come on.
So it's negative minus 2. It says negative to the top. Negative turns into a fraction. So over 2
Yeah.
squared.
Yeah, Maddie, write it down.
I just did it though.
You did it? No, you didn't. What's the answer?
1 point.
I don't think so.
1/4 minus 18.
That's not the same answer. I would have gotten that wrong.
Come on.
For the same answer.
How do we find y-intercept?
Negative 31. Oh, easy.
All this because I said you would say.
Y-intercept, not x-intercept. Y-intercept. What is it?
Negative 31/4.
It's gonna make this a 0. I get it. I get it. I have to make that 0.
Negative
No.
7. No.
Yes.
Did I get the 1/4 part right?
No, I say y-intercept. Oh, okay, y-intercept. Oh yeah, y-intercept. Yeah, it's fine.
Wait, shit.
Okay, can you find y-intercept and x-intercept?
Is it 4 equals 1?
What?
Yeah.
For what?
Is y intercept y equals 4?
No.
Oh no.
No. Plug in 0. Make it negative 0.
Oh, I see this. And it splits in half.
Make it a 1/2.
One.
Like a 1/2.
Variable from
Here.
straight
Oh.
Becomes
you take the variable
something like
you set it to 0 so then
1/4.
you find the x this is the x intercept.
Make the denominator the same number.
All right, how do I find y-intercept again? X equal to 0, so x equal to 0, so it's gonna be 2, -2 minus 8, right? So that means 1/4 minus 8. That means 1/4 minus 32/4. That's me because it makes 31/4. Is that okay? 0, comma, -31/4. That's what? 7.75? Yeah, -7.75. Okay, how do I find x-intercept? Y equals 0. Matt, you just help this?
Kind of confused.
Oh, I remember.
Okay. So you had to move the 8 to the other side? No. Then do common base equation.
That looks
Yeah, and I'll get yeah. Wait, what?
oh, it's now.
So common base equation. Is that okay?
Oh.
I did.
So you can find x-intercept, you can find y-intercept. What if you have this graph, y equal to 2 to the negative x? What does that do?
Let me know.
Yes? Okay, what does the 2 to the negative x graph look like? Kennedy, what do you think? No. Good try though. What's a y equal to negative x graph look like?
No, like the column, like it's a lot of.
Don't know.
It's 1/2 to the power of that.
Which is what a graph look like.
It just be it'd be compressed, right?
What happened? Okay, that was on the right track. Decreases. Yeah. Okay. So 2 to the x graph look like So I'm gonna graph both graphs on the same graph so that way you see it. So 2 to the x graph look like this. This is 2 to the x graph. So y equal to 2 to the x. Now the graph of this one is gonna be exactly symmetry of this, but it's inverted the other way. So it's invert to y-axis. It's still same horizontal asymptote. So y equal to 2 to the negative x. Also is known as 1/2 to the x, just like what Caleb says. But this is called exponential decay graph. This is exponential growth. This is growth. And this is the decay. So as x increases, the value gets less. So a lot of things I had to deal with this is called half-life. Have you guys learned about half-life?
Yeah, like radioactive thing.
In chemistry, Maddie? Yeah. Do you know what half-life is?
I might have not been there.
Okay, you're gonna learn that later. So half-life is so I remember I thought I had a stroke. No, I thought I had a stroke, but I didn't. So
You
late
had a stroke?
I thought I had a stroke.
Oh.
So what happened is they inject me with like the thing that feel like pee. It's something warm. So it's called for those of you guys that like chemistry, it's also known as a radioisotope. It's an isotope which is they will decay. They will decay. So it's for something like, I don't know, some metal element that will decay. For example, carbon 14 is an isotope. Carbon 12 is a normal carbon. Carbon 14 is radioactive. They will decay as the time goes on. So they will disappear as the time goes on. So what they do is they inject in my bloodstream. And their half-life is probably 20 minutes. So what happens, they inject those thing into your vessel. Your bloodstream is going to carry along your heart and your head and everything. So now, because this trace material is built of some type of metal element, so you just inject your metal, but those metal will become half every 20 minutes. So what happened is they will see, like, because they in the MRI machine it's going to show up a different color, and the color going to see, oh, this yellow thing is kind of going through your body and see what looking for the clot. So if it's somewhere is clogged, they will stop there. So they will say, oh, okay, then we need to do a surgery on this part. So what happened is, then you cannot have those chemicals stay inside your body. But it turns out all those chemicals you inject your body has a probably 20 minutes half-life. That means you inject 10 gram in 20 minutes, it's going to become 5 grams. Now, another 20 minutes is going to be what? 2.5. And another 20 minutes will be 1.25. And then 0.625. And then get smaller and smaller inside your body. So eventually it will go out. And also your body can also excrete them by peeing, poop, or whatever. So they will start decreasing so there was a half-life. So everything there's a half-life. For example, like if you guys know a little bit about Chernobyl, how many of you guys know what's Chernobyl?
Like the Russian thing?
Yes, what is Chernobyl?
It was like the largest nuclear accident in history.
Yes. So all the people around town, everybody have cancers and stuff like that. So what happened is over there, that the half-life of plutonium is like 5,000 years. So there's no way you're gonna get rid of those isotope that's inside your body. So that's why people getting cancer due to gamma particle and alpha particle. Okay, so eventually you're gonna have like a bleeding, internal bleeding and stuff, and until like you have cancer and stuff, it causes a lot of different things. So this is gonna be something to deal with decay, which is half-life. This is something like the growth. Does that make sense? Okay, so now you know that there is a decay and growth. So I'm gonna put a combination. How do I graph this? Y equal to 2 to the negative x plus 4. What would you graph this? Huh? 你现在可能不要进来，你回家好了，因为你进不来，因为那个学校会塞车。你不要进来 traffic， 你最好不要走这条路，这条路容易塞车。哦，你只要2:20之前走过。那你进去就出不来了。Yeah， 你进去就因为他在 car loops， 你就出不来了。I don't think you can come out， so I don't， 没关系，我回家拿。
You know, I don't never have
Yeah, we got Devin.
Really, it's so uncool. I could at least be supportive. Yeah.
Devin. Go outside, meet your mom to get a rice bowl. Yeah. Here, do you bring your phone?
I'm not gonna give you also.
That's what a good friend would do.
No.
Okay, how do I graph this function? How do I graph this function? Decay graph and what?
Push it over.
Push up for, not over. Up, because this is a vertical translation. This is the things that you will see on SAT because this is a parenthesis. This is gonna go, this is what's affecting. Yeah, so this one's gonna go up 4. So the asymptote is gonna be like this. And the graph is gonna be like this. Mm-hmm.
Over x-axis. Where was the negative?
Yeah, that's a good question. So she's asking, how do they graph inverted to reflect across x-axis? Then it will be like this.
Oh, in there. Okay.
So negative sign in front, so it's gonna reflect. It was right here, it will reflect down. Does that make sense?
Wait, does the negative have to be on the x as well?
No, oh, this one just decay graph. This is telling me that this part is the decay.
Okay.
And the negative to the negative x is gonna go, it was like this. It was like going like this. It will flip down like this.
Okay.
So what happened is you're gonna take this graph. Oh, because I have no battery here. So you will look at this graph. So that's gonna give you something point like this, point like this, and point like this. So it's gonna be like this. Because the asymptotes are going this way, but it's gonna, the negative sign in the front, it's gonna invert the graph across x-axis. Is that okay? So today your homework, you're gonna graph multiple of this and actually solve something. It's not really too hard, but you have to go through this thing. How much time I
The
have?
homework right now. Let me do it right now.
What? You can check on decimal. You should grab by hand. You should grab by hand. Yeah.
Mr. Yang, this is my wrestling schedule. I fully expect you to be at every single one of these tournaments to support me.
Mr. Ray did not go to a single one of these things.
I don't want to smell you.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to smell you.
No.
Yo,
And you don't want to see Mr. You don't want to see Arthur in like a skin tight suit.
yo, I look tough.
I don't think he does.
You might make my other eye blind, so.
You make it with his other eye.
Yeah. I'll be totally blind because I just see
You
you
guys are
in that.
assholes.
See, I was looking. This is where I think it is. Or is that
Right
for my
here.
graphic?
No.
Oh, it's right there. I'm not feeling it. Yeah, people got mad.
What?
It was so blurry last night. This is the homework.
Yeah, those questions you cut that.
Oh,
I'm not gonna send it because people got mad last time I sent it.
Yeah.
Apparently it's too blurry. Perfect on my side.
All those exponential stuff you will expect to see on SAT.
I'm pretty good with the translation stuff. I know like how to translate things and then move them up and down.
You just told me like that
No,
one
I
is.
swear I meant up. I was just blurting out what the first thing I swear. If I look at the on test, I would know. I swear. Give me problems.
Give you a problem?
Yeah, like any sort of translation, like up, down. Like I know which one's vertical, and which one's horizontal.
Okay, so I'm gonna give
See,
you a
I said this one was decaying. I said one was.
let me give you a problem. Says f of x equal to absolute value x minus 4 plus 5. And we said f of x plus 5. What is
Oh shit, that's a lot.
so this is the f of x. What's the f of x plus 5? And what is the x-intercept? Hold on, man.
This one.
Hold on a sec. Hold on a second. Negative.
Does that wait? The negative changes it to front. It's a vertical. So like it's like a V. Yeah, like making the angle. It's upside down V's. And it's up 5. So it's on the 0. No, it's over because that's going to the left. So it'd be
It's
like
going left.
that's left because it's the opposite of the way you want to go. It's a right. That's a right. Oh wait, I meant that way. My left to right.
Okay, maybe you need to know your left and right.
Okay, it's moving that way. It's opposite, like I was saying. See, so the tip of it will be at 4, 5, and that one is moving to the right 5. And you move over. Would your X? Oh, heck. I don't know about X intercept, where to put it. So we just set, we set this equal to 0. So I don't know if the X intercept. I know in graphic at least. That's pretty good, right?
Okay, I'll show you. So this is the original graph though, because you still have to move left.
That's the original graph?
So this is the original graph. So no, you did not.
Yes, it is. It's at 4 and 5, and it's upside down like a V. 4, 5, and it's upside down.
Okay, so it's like this.
See, I did get it right.
You told me moving right
You know I.
or left.
Yeah, but you know I meant that way. I was pointing.
No, I don't know what you know.
I said opposite, which is the opposite. Look, if you move to the left, it gets
That's
more
not done yet.
Bye, Mr. Yang.
So
That's what I
this
got.
is gonna take the graph
Over 5 this way.
left, right unit. So it's
Yeah,
gonna be
because if you're right here.
3,
Wait.
4, 5.
I should move.
So
Oh,
this
yeah,
one
that's all right.
is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And then tip is right here.
So, huh?
The tip's right here.
So it's a negative 6, comma 0, and 4, comma 0. That's your x-intercept.
Oh, I see it. Because then this should move here.
I don't know what this is. I don't know why mom brought
I
this.
got that right.
Is this for you?
See, if I had time to draw it out, I would have gone on it. Yeah, Mr. X. That's a win in my book.
You need to work on your SAT skill. We do?
I think it was like,
Why she never told me this stuff?
no, she said it like
Be like 3 or 4 minutes. Like,
Oh,
it'd be
okay.
really quick.
Hi, Andy.
Hello. Is today okay?
Today's what?
Ping pong day?
Sure, you want to play ping pong? You can.
I don't know. Ping pong Fridays.
You like ping pong?
Probably. Somewhat. It's pretty fun. Where do I have ping pong balls go? They're just in here.
Yeah, put it.
That's fine. That's fine. Alright.
Whoa, you are after school tutoring. I
What?
never seen you here.
No, I'm just here for the meeting, for the multiplicative meeting.
Oh, and you're gonna leave me again?
I'm sorry.
I feel sad.
No. We're coming tomorrow. Hold on. Because I'm trying to like every now and then come back for pictures. That's the post I did about it. I think people just like seeing themselves. If I went to your little, well, not little. If I went to your ping pong gym, do you think they would teach me, or would they just like low-key like destroy me there?
If you ask nicely, they will show you. You didn't tell me about this.
Dude, it's always so last minute.
What happened?
You're going to Aiden's Thanksgiving Day, right?
Yeah, you know.
23rd? No, wait,
It's on the 22nd.
yeah.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, we'll go 30th. It's changed.
Your family time?
Is that when did you go back? Monday?
No.
That's Saturday.
My wife did give it to me.
I can't go to that.
You can't?
Wait, actually, maybe I see if I skip out on words.
Okay, order t-shirt.
I know. Awards for what?
Oh. Let me see if anybody registered for our competition.
They are.
No. I'm doing last night.
I gotta go.
So I got it. Well, that's why I'm here. I got to catch up.
For what?
I just now realized that I have
Or
copies.
that is no.
I literally just
Can you like?
but I didn't know that he was a brother.
Hey, what class?
I have first period with him.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like, he every single day, but I never realized.
Yo! Wait a second.
Is that boba?
It's not boba.
Tea?
Sorry, man. I'm great. How are you? Why are you such a good today? No, I just got hyped seeing Aiden. I haven't seen
Claire's not coming.
Gabby
Gabby is here.
Friday. No, I just copied that one.
Okay, girl.
Oh, shit. Going on with you, like,
You're here for the officer.
Oh.
Like, I literally said, oh, happy birthday.
Oh, you're here.
What do you think? Okay, thanks, Mike.
Everybody's in love with Ethan.
Huh?
I say everybody's in love with you.
One birthday wishes for me to be a
Yeah, I
hero
know.
for-
Oh.
Oh yeah, your emo.
That's just one birthday wish he told me.
Oh yeah, I'll do it.
You're right there.
Are you gonna do it?
What?
Are you gonna do it?
Oh, anything for him, bro.
So you're gonna be my game. I have the black nail paint. Nail polish. I have the black nail. Armand.
It's for my life. I would.
My wife brought it for me
What?
just now.
Yeah, yeah, right. So I need somebody on Monday. I feel like, hey, like I know we are. Like just like we will be in your room once.
Well, I bring 18 things of apple.
If not,
I put it in the fridge.
No, not in my fridge.
Mr.
I'm
A,
willing.
you were the teacher.
I'm willing to donate apple
No, don't donate. to me.
Okay.
What? No, put it on the. We're gonna be collecting donations. for the
Anybody
food
want to have apple sauce?
bank. I have 18.
Don't put it in my refrigerator, please.
Can we bring? I like it, but I know I said like food or snacks, and I'm gonna bring snacks, but I know like can we all include
Easy money, easy money. Easy money for you.
It would be like a lot of snacks if we all, and then we don't have to bring
Hamburger?
whatever we snack.
No, I'm vegetarian.
Like whatever's in there is like awesome, but we can't bring
I
that.
have too much candy.
Raisins.
Don't worry about me. What about yourself?
Like all the
I have 18. Because I couldn't hold
I
it.
mean, what else like people?
Need to work out the logistics.
Oh, you had a baby.
You bring my desk?
Yeah, okay, so.
You sent the homework for today.
I
I'm
put some group chat.
You are, or you did, or did
Already.
Second question, is homework for today just the stuff we were doing in class? That one picture. Because I don't see anything that shows up on the group chat until like an hour after it shows up.
No, everything on that it was Euler's method and it was a differential equation application.
I'm not saying, no, I'm saying my phone stopped. It doesn't pick up anything, it's just like everything on the group chat an hour later. Then it gets there.
We'll get them before.
Or all off. I'll draw with the white mark.
For a lecture, or I don't know.
What? So I gotta do that.
Our office.
That's why I'm terrible.
Our all offices are gonna be done.
Wait, yeah.
I'm okay. Are these yours?
I'll just be there for taking pictures. Taking pictures.
Maybe you don't.
I'll try.
You don't. I'm gonna skip my.
Gabby, can you text him your phone number?
Where are you going?
Once we break the signing, we're gonna make
Is it that?
Wait.
Should I just put the phone number?
No, I don't want
Wait, you wanna come back? Alright guys, we'll be back.
Okay. Once, okay.
We'll go in the end.
We did like a lot of planning, but like once we're actually there, we're actually there. Like
There's gonna be homework here, right?
I think I reposted.
stuff and like how they bring their.
I don't think that's like that.
But there might be kids at the shop.
Alright.
One geometry stations or yeah, I think.
Oh, I'm not posted.
And we can just like.
Whatever table.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Because they're like, oh, I don't understand this. What are you doing?
Also, like I know like.
It's different.
Okay.
Well, I thought it was on top.
Okay, you just. Okay, it's like very important.
Video right now. I guess.
Is it really that important?
Did you say you ordered them or you are ordering?
I'm going to order them.
You are currently ordering them and you won't stop until you get it. Okay, and then let's like it is.
Oh, I'm not
Have
gonna.
an op.
I don't know.
Oh, shoot! Hey, I was lucky.
Oh my goodness.
We need another
It
thing.
should be like a little skit. That's like,
I
this
don't
is
know.
the girl that
Okay.
the mall and it's like, oh, Tim, that's right. On what's
Hey, one more. It should be like, oh, it should be like Mr. Game. Like,
Oh, I hate my dog.
holy crap. Like, oh, how are you so good at ping pong? It's like, cause I really good
That was
You
my
gotta
bad.
get Mel going to the We did like Mr. A hanging from like the window with one hand. It's like, this is Monopoly.
You follow me about that, Alan?
Dude, I don't know.
Dude, you have to hang out from your window with one arm.
If you have to.
No,
I just wanna like.
I'm too fat for that.
You can't do what?
You can't hang out the window with one arm.
Oh.
I'm too fat for that.
Can you
No.
play ping
What?
Can you play ping pong for camera?
Thank you for hitting it, Max. Appreciate the point, brother.
Of course.
Yeah.
I always love charity work. Oh wow. Oh.
T-shirt.
Yeah. Maybe that's
I can fall off of the dude. Oh. Okay.
And then so this is your.
Oh, shit, sorry. Yeah, let's record that.
What?
Give me an idea for a
What?
Jared came over.
This is the drum club. Oh, wait, what are you trying to do?
promote for beating stuff in your studio.
Did Alan beat Jerry? I can play like ping pong
Oh my God.
outside. That's
I need to feel about the wrist, bro.
ping pong. I think it's like because I go to lunch too.
Hit my knuckle, bro.
That's it, humble.
I didn't see him coming. But Thursday, a lot of people didn't come last Thursday because they all have Apex.
Oh,
Yes.
oh, it's good. It like landed here.
Videos that they
Mystery, he's
Were you
really
gonna cost it for
that.
a couch?
For the Exponential?
and then it's like that.
I'm on the way there. I had to order them up later. But yeah, I'll write one. I have to write one.
Bro.
Your old one? I didn't give you it back. Yeah, that's the actual test. I haven't posted. Glad I'll give it to you. Oh, you want a blank test?
Well, if you have my old one, I'll just like look at the you. I think it's not
You can just download it to your iPad.
I'm cooking up, Max.
Lucia, his phone number. Call him. Yes. I hate talking to people. I'm antisocial. I'm autistic.
One more.
You can do that. Okay.
Okay.
Josh is gonna hate me. I remember.
Just throw him the same shirt. Whatever shirt it is. Or you can send an email.
Can you open your
One more. Why do you call?
She's not my
Today is this.
Why is she being issue?
I guess.
And then can I just say it's the same one?
Huh? Yeah, Melissa Allen.
Why isn't it so hard?
Gabby, what are you doing?
I'm writing down what we go from.
It's for our video.
For who? Gabby, you asking somebody? I'll ask for you. Wait, who's it for?
Nico and Alex.
Nico and Alan?
I guess I'm asking out Alan.
You asking?
Be something that like no one would get.
I think we did.
Salvation.
You have summation.
Okay, so you can that he's from the outside view down this really top. I have a problem.
You do? Okay. Sorry.
Wait, can you put it in the refrigerator?
Yeah, I did.
I'm gonna get a rice ball.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I forgot. So you do logarithms and what? I really don't. You're gonna make sure I'm going crazy. But I know it's really small.
Oh wait, Tom. Oh, Tom.
I need to do it. Straight out of it. Straight out of it. Real freaking alright, where we go? Huh?
You're gonna witness this in
Yeah, I'm being forced. You guys need to stay.
being forced. Can I have Donna going?
Oh, yeah. Nico, you're asking now. Yes.
Bro, president of Film Fanatics. Let him advertise.
Yeah, you are. You gotta support this shit. You gotta. See, bro, wait. I'm talking, bro.
Maybe he needs to another one. Boys. No, this is your job.
No.
You like want to take a hair, make me do it.
It's fun.
Oh, I did not know I was.
Trey, I don't think we
I'm gonna get
Oh, goodness. I'm waiting at the door. I'm realizing, wait, I got these. Yeah. And then he comes and opens the door. So I'm thinking about like, I can immediately feel the I'm like, oh, is it Georgia?
Oh,
Come on.
Well, they're gonna stop with that.
you go to promenade down and come back. Only if you can solve this.
Yes, exactly.
Do you have
And
caviar?
then nobody ever figure out how to solve this. Like, only if you go to lunch student or.
We went through AI Lodge. She's like my friend. I like her. I remember you. And I was like, oh no. Yeah, you have to.
Oh, God damn. No, no. Aiden. Aiden. Pull this out the summation, which Nico doesn't know how to do.
Even if you get
Pretty please.
Can I use that to attack them?
Bro, Ethan, I can find out.
You want to back one. Don't even lie. Don't even lie. Don't even lie.
I feel like you.
Oh my god.
I've never seen this in my life.
I love you.
got even more.
I heard you've been showing my middle school. Did you? Are you laughing?
Wait.
No. Just like.
We should give it.
Bro, that's fine. They're not gonna actually solve it.
It could be more.
We're having that. Steven, I'm gonna hold it down.
Come on, you know.
How do you think collaboration should build fanatics?
You just have to say, will you go to prom with me? You have to say, only if you can solve the problem.
You wanna run it?
I wanna come see
There
this.
was a match going
I wanna see this.
Alright.
What are you doing? It's a bad battle.
13 Peter, what? What?
Not that good.
Hey man, we know the paddle isn't your issue, bro. We know you're just mad. Don't shoot me. Whoa.
Yes, bro. DJ.
What? Yeah, I also got Peter. It was me. It was me, Aspen, and Jay on drafting Peter. You really shit. You wanna know this? Let's go to it. You like this? You like the wall? You like the
Alright, so we can just rally. Alright, we can rally. You wanted to aim for these two players.
Alright. Wait, just so you know.
Good luck, guys.
Wait, Kelly?
Also, I heard.
I'm just.
Let's hope my brother you hate it.
It's not.
Yes, he did.
Let me show you a video of your brother.
What are you doing?
Let me show you this video. Come here.
I'm not speaking. Let's go. Put your shoes on. Wait,
Watch the whole video. Watch it.
Davis.
Wait, what was his friend's name again? I like you like it, don't you?
Oh, okay. That was Is that your brother? Oh, shit.
You scared of forehand?
Yeah. Cause I hit it too hard. Like,
Maybe you need to get up a shot.
yeah, I think I know.
You gotta do the real one.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go. Hi, Max.
Bye, man.
Got it?
Yeah, I think I'm putting it too hard.
Your line is the ball.
Whoa.
So the way I do forehand is it took me like a long time. I don't have to right to the ball. But it's like you're just closing a door. You're not really like doing this. That makes sense. Like this. Like scooting.
Got it. So you don't move like this part of your arm, you just kind of move the ball.
So it depends with each ball. It doesn't come out. You the same.
Okay. Just like you feel it out.
Yeah.
Alright, got it.
And then remember how you have only your paddle. I'll only paddle over it. I shouldn't have it do that.
So how should you hold it?
So you remember how Alan said open and close?
Yeah?
So when I do forehands, I like push it out from my stomach and I keep it down, but it also doesn't go up.
It's fine, I can't play. Damn.
Come on, get higher rally.
I'm good at Steve, but damn.
Keep it up, battle. What am I doing? Hold on, I need like. Oh, I don't know.
So kind of like that. Kind of like that.
I was. It feels good.
I felt. I get the best. Right. I'm feeling it out.
Oh shit.
Okay,
Good
go.
job.
I figured it out.
I wasn't ready for that.
I just gotta hit it a little less hard. Got it.
Remember not to hit hard balls, so it doesn't bounce off your path.
Yeah, I feel like I'm hitting it too hard, so I'm just like, instead of letting it bounce off and like roll, then it's like you smack. So it doesn't get rolled. Damn. Yo, W reality, bro.
What am I doing?
Go. Television on that one.
Yeah, that's fine. Limited pages remaining. 88. Oh, nice.
I like doing like the.
I don't know about that, but you roll.
It feels good, bro. It feels tough.
You roll pages.
Oh, shit.
That thing I didn't even get my shoes. I still didn't that my prints off of his cat's strategy, so he probably should have Oh, what am I doing? Beforehand. This today.
Whoa, what am I doing?
Yeah.
I should hit low. I'm not expecting you to
I'm
hit.
getting greedy, bro. I need to stop.
Yeah, and you didn't think it was gonna bounce?
No, I kind of like skimmed the net.
Damn.
You see, like the first receiver, the first receiver is what I'm trying to say.
Got it. Damn. Oh, good. Down. I was supposed to think very well. Got it. Then propose.
Okay.
Did they propose?
Where were you guys? Ready?
You know,
Let's go. A video.
Okay.
If the angle,
Oh.
if the angle is better than the
That was tough, pretty good.
Okay, can someone like help you like play ping pong with me for like 5 minutes?
I don't know
Or
where.
or wait, can I actually have that?
You ready?
Oh, I'm not going.
Oh,
Unfortunately, my mom's gonna pick me up soon. Okay. Bye.
Yeah, sure.
Well, actually, I'll tell you whoever. Yo. I'm not good. You have to chill on me. I'm a noob, bruh.
Well, actually, I'll read it like. He just wants.
Bye.
Have a good week. Bye, guys.
Oh my god.
Bye. You want to start or one more round?
Let's start.
Richard, maybe you don't have your crap. Oh, this is that right here.
Have a good day.
I did wear Oh, fuck.
Two.
You want to split?
That smells like lemon. Is that yours? Like
Yeah.
Ah!
No, there isn't time. It's over.
Alright. Oh my god, I'm like a paraplegic, bro. Oh my god.
Did you just talk about paraplegic? Oh. 3 more years. I mean, 2 more years.
Have you finished your
Oh,
video?
bro.
I finished your video.
Oh.
You gave me $25.
Bro. You got one?
Oh, no.
Alright, so
7 to it. What?
I think alright, go.
Tell me how it tastes.
It's good. I tried it last time. That's why I got a second. I actually never got it.
These five.
I don't know them. You should try the other ones.
7-3.
Oh,
There's a bunch of them.
Vegetarian one?
I'm glad you agree.
Are you vegetarian?
No. I'm
Dad,
pretty
you wanna
much
play chess game?
9-3.
Yeah.
Oh, no, so I'm not gonna have
You don't play chess game with him?
9-3.
I'm not good at chess.
You're not very good at chess.
Yeah, I'm not good at this either. Oh, fuck!
Ethan, Ethan, you're gonna kill me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
when you're doing that, right? What do you find?
Ethan, you're gonna kill me.
I'm at 3. I get right behind you.
No, no.
Horrible.
Enjoy my lunch.
Oh, yeah, I'm okay.
Ooh, that smells so good.
Yeah, yeah.
You didn't have to throw it up.
Yeah, what's that? Oh, slow.
It's nice. Yeah.
And you don't even worry. I got
So in order to find the x value, okay, the c value is where it happens. You know what the slope is, so you know what the derivative is when it's value.
Wait, why do you think that matters?
No way, I
No, no, no,
it's
this one.
gonna go like low.
X squared,
Wait,
right?
did you hit it? Yeah, I hit it.
It's not okay. Hey, you like the
Plus or
okay, you should hit it.
I don't have it.
minus 3 is your answer.
The only thing I'm saying is that you just say nonsense.
You might want to like if you're the one ring, you have to carry on. Or like
Oh, fuck.
Whatever you find for yourself.
There you go.
Oh, okay, okay.
bro, I'm too short for this, bro.
Angle the back. There you go.
No, that's how it's gonna go. I don't know why.
13. Okay. 14.
Wait, really?
Yeah, that was good.
3-4.
No, I'm not working. What are you working on? Since you didn't have to last question.
Oh,
days.
5-3.
I haven't practiced that shot.
6-3.
There's something that basket.
Yo, chill on me. 10-3.
Some is a that's a four.
And we
Hey, how many?
willing to go.
Oh no, bro.
Nothing flat.
We have you can go on one question.
Yeah, I'm about to keep going.
Almost right.
That was good, Armand.
I don't know. I originally got something.
I was like, oh, I only see you learn, so I didn't know if there was anything for you.
But then I could change the thing to ratings instead of degrees. Make it slightly more sensible.
How long is she doing?
I don't know. I did like the thing. So I would DMX.
And we'll keep choosing.
Did you like backhand like this?
10.
That was good.
Oh, you got a ball?
Yeah, you're gonna be a demon. When that happens, we're gonna switch direction. They start going. I don't know when to switch direction. Whenever it's here, I usually just go back.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then it's not to move your entire body.
Fine.
Ow.
That's okay. No, that's okay.
Aiden, go.
It's the video though. Wait, I'll be home tomorrow all day. So, I'll.
I just quit. I swear.
See you, man.
Oh, that.
Armand, send me a message. That just says edit
Oh
video.
my God, this
Send me a message. Edit video.
I'll try. The light hit it. Like. Okay.
Alright, y'all have a nice weekend.
Okay, bye.
It isn't,
Not bad. That's 5 minutes.
low bar or high bar?
Low bar.
Yeah, I'm low bar, but I'm also low bar. I love like a mid bar.
I'm not like a mid to high bar. I got one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, bro. I gotta go lower. Yeah. Oh,
The last test I got, why is she not doing corrections?
I'm trying to get it lower and lower.
They're so low. Oh,
No, it's not. There's a gap at the.
Yeah, it makes him stress.
I got one.
I have 0 in drawing. Maybe we should be
No, bro.
Yo. I don't think we're. Oh, she's trying.
I don't know.
It's okay. It's fine. She does corrections and I think I feel
Oh. That was good. Low.
I'm falling off so much this year. It's okay. Everybody just feels like we're Oh,
You know, like your house.
I didn't
I'll
move.
do it. Good job. 70. Like, that's literally not why. I feel like I'm falling off.
Yeah, that was good.
Why do you have 2 jobs? Oh,
Because I
hey, my phone.
don't know. But like, when I got the physics down this time,
So my other one.
like, bullying me yesterday wasn't enough.
It's just a bar.
It's not just the math things I do. It's just something like I can remember.
Okay, good. Alright, since you're on the way.
Yeah.
Gosh, first thing level.
I mean, I guess. Oh, we're still okay.
I think you're right, though.
And we just put your. Oh,
One
okay,
more
good.
year left.
I don't think so.
Okay,
Okay, so it's here. I'm sorry, man. I'm not trying. Oh, no.
What is this video? Are you really gonna be talking about?
Damn. Here. So you get twice in the night.
How is it going to
You're doing
Ah!
You're doing okay.
What's your grade on this one?
Everybody's struggling.
How long? Cool. 3-1.
I hate you, Ryan.
The 3-1? Yeah.
Yep, that's not me. Like, I should make you better.
Oh, I was going to tell you.
Oh. If I can get the 6 on, yeah.
Oh, shit. 2.
Yeah.
Well, 1, right? Not if it's on the clock, but you got 4. 1, so you got.
At that point, I was just supposed to move myself.
Yeah.
Changed.
I think it should be negative pi over.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
All of those are going to be the same.
Alright, instead of yeah, you have a problem with.
Oh. You can't even tell. You just feel
Good.
like you're doing that. I really don't know why.
Oh, yeah.
Like I can see.
I know, 13.
Oh, that was
I know,
good.
but
You
gotta
have to
move it.
go up and
no, no. I 9 3 now.
It's okay.
I 9 3.
Losing it.
Oh, dang. You're okay, Mike?
And even
Dude, I'm not looking at it anymore.
Sure, expensive. $9 shirt.
I mean, everybody paid their dues, right? No, right?
I mean, we have $6,000, but that's gonna be take $1,500, and the trophy is gonna be $1,500.
You're afraid you will?
I
will.
I was scared I would.
No, it's like different. But yeah,
That was a very awful serve.
that was like
Yeah, those are really interesting.
whoa, what the hell? What's it? Oh, I got.
What are you trying to do?
He's trying to move it.
I love it spinning around.
I've never seen it.
I got
Go to mine how. You have to spin the same way I. I'm not. Well, like you go like I was just way like it's like it's
Always
by different way I still want to do it. I really was big more.
chemistry.
Oh, but it's in the wrong way.
You know who's top one?
No.
Ew. Yeah, but that's
Alright, you
I'm, I'm not comparing my something that's so cool.
Like, no, that's like, oh wait, I kind of get it. I kind of get it.
Hello, Ellie. Thank you. Thank you, Ellie. Oh,
Wait,
wait,
did I go the wrong way? Go stop. Already ready? Yeah, I don't know, bro. Do I mirror what you do instead of going exactly? Okay. I'll do it exactly.
That's how Bro, learn how to play.
Yeah. I got like a legitimate point for me.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right.
So you're hitting it, not spinning
You
it.
saw the vision, right?
I don't understand.
This is like, how much you do this? It's seriously.
That's like fully extended. Fully extended my life.
You can serve it now.
Alright.
That's so cool. I love your
Sure.
Yeah. Oh.
friends are not deploying.
No.
It's so
I got good my call snack, bro. How's on you, bro? No, sir. You see the film on that, bro?
Yeah.
no, the other Lizzie.
I keep like angling it like that.
Yeah. Hit up.
But,
My mask got a lot.
Oh,
I know.
that's been. What time you got left?
Until 3:10. Hell no, that's too expensive. I'm getting Chick-fil-A probably.
That's fair.
Chick-fil-A is not cheap.
But it's cheaper than T-bar.
Okay, everything around T-Bar is expensive. It's way back burger, Chick-fil-A, and the T-Bar itself is also.
And agave, right?
What?
There's a McDonald's, right?
Agave is the first. There's no McDonald's right next to it.
Burger
Maybe
King?
There is, but like,
If you go down Kirkman, there's a Spanish press McDonald's.
yeah, there's also Burger King across.
Right here.
Yeah.
I hate Burger King.
I just like being able to walk to where I want to get my food.
The tomorrow. We're separate today, man.
Oh, it was his birthday yesterday.
But you got drunk last night?
I bet.
Honestly,
Maybe.
probably.
I called him and he was with Aiden and it was loud.
Yeah.
Aiden was here today, right?
Yeah. He skipped Jen, but he came to
When did he not?
He's just pretty awesome.
Not really, but
No, we went to help Aiden take it to Apple.
Oh my
When he came out, he was like, "Are we shooting class today?" And I was like, "Oh."
What did she say? What did he say?
He told us to do it.
That she didn't want to go?
No, and he was celebrating Samuel birthday last night. Yeah, I've gotta go. We'll talk about it.
I need Irma for something. Wait, okay. Hey, we're running shit back.
Alright. Hey, we don't have balls.
We did. That's good.
Pick up balls first. Pick up balls.
Bernisha. 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 Bernisha.
Wait, is she even
What's that?
Wait, but they both have.
There we go.
They both have.
I don't know. I don't see green show.
Bernisha is sick today.
With yeah, I'm sure you.
No, I don't want to. It's all the visions, right?
Yeah. I'll see.
Yeah.
There's for like one question.
All right. Boom. Done.
No blood. You see, run it, bro.
What?
I don't think someone good.
So you got me right here, Alan.
Alan's no good.
No.
Holy crap.
Which who's better, you or Alan? Me. Is it close at least?
I only lost you because I was doing the one serve. I was learning it. I'm still learning it. But I don't know.
Oh, Mr. Yates flabbergasted.
What is it? Yeah.
Oh, with that handle.
No.
Are you going to ping pong today?
Ping pong.
Maybe.
Yeah. Wait.
Willing.
Yeah, of course.
I want to break.
This year? No,
That-
the other year.
I'm not even ping pong.
Bro,
It's
you're
alright.
not-
Alan's not good at ping pong either.
Thanksgiving was there with Brady Brady.
Actually, you're doing pretty good, Andy. Honestly.
Yeah.
One. Yes, sir.
Go by this Friday.
Was that? Check my side.
No, I didn't.
Like, why I signed up for it, I don't know.
Cool. You do?
Yeah.
Okay. For this one, for this slow position, for
Oh.
That was a shame.
Slowly. They just back.
To be all.
that means I do take the line at double.
Yeah. Fortunately.
So, I did that, right? I did, is this,
I hit it too hard, bro.
what is this?
4 all.
That's the value you put into your first your slope at that.
5-4.
And that's what you put into the original thing.
Oh my god, 5 all.
But wait, so I plug this into here, I don't pull it to it. It's a so what
Okay,
you're
fine.
finding is
Okay, damn. That was alright, 6 all. Good serve by me. 6-7. 6-7. Oh my god, 7 all.
value you're always plugging in.
Yep, hey, dog. Hey, I got one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wait.
Wait, but do I have to plug it in to find it right now?
Oh my god.
8-7.
Sorry, don't I have to plug the X into the
Oh.
That your boy.
Not all of them are vegan.
Thank you.
Only some are vegan.
What is it? 9 cents?
Yeah.
One.
try it all in one.
That's all. This one's like paneer
9, 8.
tikka masala.
Well, I'm sure
Can you pass us some both in
are
there?
probably less good anyways because they heat it up.
And this berry chicken vindaloo. It's only one ingredient. Unfortunately.
It's gonna be equal life.
I'm better than that.
So that's
Before one.
Okay.
Go again?
So not much option.
Bye, Talia.
Does that handle?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Alright.
You can get there.
Okay. Oh my god.
It's over again.
Yeah, we're leaving 15 minutes.
Got it.
Oh.
Alright.
Oh my god.
2-1. 2 straight.
Got it, bro. 3-1. Oh, bro.
I don't know why I didn't try it.
4-1. Little off, bro. 5-1.
Oh, sorry.
6-1.
Shit. It's you.
7-1. I tried too much with that one.
I got
7-2.
just one.
Oh my god. 7-3.
With Bueller's method,
Damn.
what do you get more and more
That was fun,
accurate every iteration you
7-4, right?
Oh, the more in that. Well,
Yeah.
because you pay
8-5. I mean 4. Yeah.
Um,
Did we get them?
Of course, the
There's a bunch over here. Take one.
differential
We got
equation
one.
is most
Sorry,
accurate. But the
Okay.
iteration is of definitions. So the more
Oh my god.
approximation, the playing
So it's 9-4 now, right?
because
the more iterations to the
It's
smaller
like-
the step.
it's like an inflation error.
Yeah.
The more iterations actually come in. So
Yeah.
like we just based on one tangent line, that's gonna be the least accurate because there's more
Alright, so 10. No, it's 10-4. It's 10.
than original. Like more iterations.
How are you letting me beat you, Finn?
And the differential equation is
Fuck.
infinite amount of iterations. So and that's
Airball.
or if ideally it's not practical. But
It's
if you
just-
don't have nothing to base on, it's actually possible.
Two outs.
What kind of helicopter? Oh my god!
Wow.
They're the military ones.
What's happening?
Or they're navy green.
Dude, I want
And
to
they're flying
love that.
super low. I don't know how big it was. I think he would have known what
Interesting.
Very, very
interesting.
Bro, like 2-all.
I don't know yet.
This is what
Okay. Okay.
my grammar is also important.
Are you going to meet?
Are the
I think.
Well, I'm good. No, good.
almost pretty.
Alright. 4-2 is my
It's not a. It's not a. It's not a.
Military.
What the heck?
One, three.
Okay. Yeah. I know. They just.
Four.
Ah.
Five. Five all.
Mystery Day.
Really the opposite. You love like forehand.
Oh my god. Yeah.
6-5.
Oh!
7-5, right?
Yeah.
It pisses me off when you hit it, bro.
I did not have to hit one.
7-6. Yeah.
Oh.
Must be negative.
Keep putting my paddle on.
7 on. I mean 8-6 now, right?
That's like a Karate Kid situation.
I think it is.
Basically is at
Holy shit, not even
negative 4 and
gonna
7 all critical number. So if they are critical number, they have a
It's a
horizontal tangent.
Okay, that was just.
Now, they also tell you an
Oh!
is
I hit my thumb, bro.
9-7, right?
Yeah.
what's negative 7 mean?
Each other, each other.
Uh-huh.
Negative seven. Oh.
What do you mean, really? That was,
Uh-huh, really?
yeah, you mean,
9-7.
no.
10-7, right?
Hey, so if you have a
Oh, shit. At 10-8.
if you have a horizontal tangent, you have concave down. This point has to be a what?
Oh!
Oh, it has to be.
Again.
Again.
Oh,
I'm playing.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Okay.
God.
Okay.
And at 4, it's gonna be what?
It's gonna be because it's like.
Yeah.
Yours,
Okay.
That's it. That was the hard part of the question. Except the question I kind of read wrong because x equals to -2. What is that? But if you just say x equals to -2, it's not enough information.
One
then I'll be fine too.
Oh no. Okay. Oh my god. 3-1. 4-1.
Oh my god, great.
4-2.
I like that. Who's there? Yeah, we can play.
Yeah.
Who's playing a game right now?
Yeah. I have 5-2.
Wait, 8. Yes, sir.
No, it's your turn.
Oh, 5-9. Okay. Wait.
No, it's 5-2, but I just served twice. That's your. Oh my god.
Okay, yay! Freestyle, freestyle done. Yes, everybody. Alright, 3 minutes.
What is it now? 5-4? Or 6? Yeah, 6-4. My turn.
Sorry.
Oh, it's my turn.
Yeah, I know. That did a job.
Oh,
Mister, have you seen those
8-4.
like 3-year-old? They're not grandmasters just yet, but they're like, what's the level below that?
Oh.
But
9-4.
they're like literally like.
You're probably gonna win one, bro.
warming up.
Thanks.
Bro, we played 3 games. I've won 3 in a row.
Sit for 2 weeks.
Have you seen Magnus?
No, they're still going. It's 9. No, is it 9-4 or
Like,
8-4?
I forgot how many people was like 5 all blindfolded and I won all of them. Or he at least drew.
Thanks, and parsing.
9-5. Oh, what am I doing? It's my turn. My turn. 10-5. 10-6. Yes, sir. That's up. That's on your turn. What is that?
Not again.
Do you
Run that back. Now run that back.
Yeah.
3-1 now.
It's 3-1.
No, I won 3 times.
Yeah, bro.
Baby, it's my first time playing it so long here.
Hey, me too. I love it, Andy.
Can I serve that on?
Okay, sure.
Oh, don't cut that,
We
bro.
have to start tying up soon. Michigan, even.
Yeah.
Alright. 1-0.
Finally.
Alright, 1-1 beer ball.
Yeah, we'll try and give you a good ball.
Okay, we're just gonna try to go with like a rally.
Yeah.
I feel outmatched.
Feel forehanding.
3-1.
I don't know. Like, never tried it. I always try to go like this. You know, try to go like this.
Yeah, it's like that. Like holding it up.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're up. 4-3.
Yeah, I've never tried.
Yeah, fuck it. 60. Oh my god. 6-3. Yeah, I'm tired.
Alright, I played for like
Let me try
We're up. 7-3. That's so low. Crazy.
It's hard to see when I don't have hair in my face.
Oh my.
Yeah, I bet.
9-3. You hit it so like that?
That's what
Try like a win. 10-4. My turn. And then that down, slide that.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, I got hit that again. I keep thinking that. Getting tilted, bro.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah.
I don't care, bro. Just keep playing.
You had to use definition derivative instead.
I was thinking, bro. I was also thinking, bro.
Bro.
Alright.
I got one.
When I go past, I can miss it.
You saw this vision, right?
Okay.
If you roll it so like low.
Hey.
I brought standing for the back for that. Oh my god.
Anyway, you gotta roll it. So like, it'll give you the. Yeah.
I'm adapting. Hit at the edge.
Oh, my bad. That's all.
Yeah.
That's pretty good though.
Hey, you saw the vision with that, right? Is that our having? No. Oh.
Okay.
I need to angle it up.
Oh.
I'm using it like high shots, not low shots. Alright, yeah, got it. Okay, I need to figure out how to hit like low.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, where did you get low?
That's pretty
I
good.
have a good. My dad's gonna
Okay.
use it.
That's good.
I can.
Alright, I'm like,
Yeah, like that. See it bounce twice.
Yeah. Good, good.
So I'm just usually putting too much speed on it. See? Oh, no, I won. Oh. Ah, this is so frustrating.
I'm sure it's pretty good.
Oh, bang.
That was a good shot.
Pretty good, yeah.
I'm trying to like learn the forehand before I like go on anything else. You want to find out?
Thank you so much for
Of
the
course. Hope it helps.
Yep.
I think we're gonna do robot sword.
Are we gonna do that for quick?
Yeah, we can. All I have to do is just print out the map. With the water bottle.
I need to move further.
We can just do whatever you want. Like,
Because there isn't that much of the build left to do. So like, if you,
I think now I'm just not angling.
if you want me to like coach you on trying to code it, then we can do that. But I'm sure you can have your own idea. You want to try it. What's your idea so far? Because the main thing I'm gonna do is just
I'm gonna lose it out.
abbreviate the turns more. Instead of typing out left turn, right turn.
we can just make that functional. It's much easier.
Did you have one?
Well, yeah. Oh yeah, but I don't like optimize on anything. Just almost like a typing.
How do you curve it
Like,
with
all you
backhand?
have to do is put in the distance. and that's it.
Don't turn out back.
You know?
Curve it with curvy. Backhand, burn. Like,
It's the same kind of method. Like,
okay, yeah, right.
I got it.
Well, attaching it.
Oh,
That was
that
good.
was good. I'm sorry.
I go again.
See, I-
Bye, baby.
I'm not that far. Bye, Andy. Have a good weekend.
I've seen the vision though.
So like, I'm not that deep in the research.
Okay. So you like, what? Sounds good, right?
Writing that code. Oh, it's kind of moving out.
Test it out. You might have to change the pins later.
Yeah.
I think what I'm gonna do is make it more reliable. Like secure the.
Are you for like the really quick? You're just kind of shoot it.
Like keep it like close to me.
Locked in, Mercedes.
Okay.
Just let me know what favorite meetings or boys and girls.
Alright. Well, wait. So since you're in the Prism concert, when do you want to do it? Yeah, I'll see you, and I'll try and fit it into my schedule. You guys done?
How many done?
Like, oh, we had it.
Oh, we're getting off to go.
Okay. One more.
I forgot the prison.
Ah. Let's go.
So sometimes low keeping in mind.
We're taking Monday, Wednesday.
I was cooking up that one.
But the only day I can't do anything after school is the board, because that's when we have our rehearsal literally after school. The prison concert itself not till 7 the following day. So. Well, is it just me or mechanics so much worse than physics?
What do you mean?
Because we're learning the same thing, but we're not reviewing the information that we learned. Like, we didn't even go over like bank curves or anything like that, even though we
Yeah,
had
he did
last test.
Yeah.
And we didn't know how to do it unless you were
Did you want to pull up the chair?
You pull up there.
Pull out or pull out?
I think Reno just got lazier this year. Because even comparing it to last year again,
Honestly, kind of agree with that, Sam.
it's a lot worse this year. The 4 months I was in camp last year, it was so much easier.
Because usually, like, we'll watch videos for the bell.
The 4 months.
Oh, okay. No, because mostly I think the videos are worse for mechanics and physics.
Mhm.
ones.
There's no music. There's no music. Yeah.
Doing this honor for us.
Everybody that? We got to play pickleball.
I'll see what the scope is and I'll go there. The only things are probably like. If they're acting, they'll probably go home and shower and then go to Phillies.
How many did you have there?
Juice, bro. Stop putting it.
Yeah, two.
Never mind. Close that house. I guess we're going.
Do you guys know the 3D stats around? Wait, maybe it's Scooby though.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wait, hey, Kevin, no. You want to move the table for now? Thank you.
Oh, keep it different. This is stable for you.
Oh, it has 3, so maybe we should shift one down.
This one usually has 4. It's about to mix and match.
Yeah, no fiction.
Oh, what's the best way?
I'm just not making consistent right
If you want me to leave the desk out there?
now. Like, I'm thinking too much about holding it back. I just gotta do it.
Yeah, it's really I'll keep figuring that out towards the end. Yeah. Alan saw me hitting some crazy ones at the end. You can't lie, I was cooking up. I got 2 legitimate points on you. Because I'm the best teacher, dude.
Yeah. I think Aaron's the best teacher.
Nah, fuck him. Because that's why so many wins because that paddle he has. The minute you like touch the ball with the paddle, it bounces off so far.
I heard you never beat Aiden.
Aiden? Hey, I mean, wait, baby, you don't keep buns though. No, you look here. Baby, you don't keep buns, bro. With Aiden. You lost to me 3 times, bro. And this guy's played like 2 days back. Yesterday, and I did this today. Essentially yesterday.
On a cookie?
Your cookie, buddy. I don't know. You didn't.
How's it going?
It's going great. You didn't hear that.
Hey. Are you cheating on our mom's baby right now?
Dude, I have like 5 boyfriends, bro. It's like Eli.
Maybe you're the gay too much way.
I'm not gay.
I think that's
Like, I can be a swing, I'm just not gay. You know what I mean? But like, and the emo one I'm not gonna dispute. But like, you know, I have Eli. Favorite is like a one-sided thing. Armand, Alan, right here, Neil, Azen, Jay.
How much are only having 5?
Yeah, I didn't know I had that many. So Josh, no, Josh went all over me, bro.
Yeah, what happens to all the people?
I don't know about him.
Jay, you have a new jacket now.
I'm
That everything's like.
He doesn't want all of it. Jackson. Yeah. Josh doesn't want it.
Devin, let me get your number.
No,
Whoa. Oh, you're trying to risk it.
Serious?
That's a minor, bro. That's a minor. That's a minor. You're 18 now. You can't be talking to freshmen.
What about that?
Only accident.
Oh, you're going against Devin right now?
Who's winning? Devin?
I don't know, Devin's modeling right now, so.
I think Devin's about it. Devin's got checkmate 3.
Nah.
You know, I'm not getting blocked at chess. No, you're shit, bro.
Nah. I be beating the Indians out of like. It's just blunders.
Really?
Yeah. Like last year, like I just like this one Indian dude that like always showed up and we play chess. I'm just like that, bro.
Back in freshman year when Aaron was in style, like me and him, high regionals, we played chess for like 2 hours.
Really?
He was good. I still beat him, but he was good.
I still beat him if he was good.
No, he was good. He beat me once and I beat him twice. No, I beat him 4 times. He was good. I miss Aaron in style. Even though it's been 3 years. He did not get suspended again. Not before he's on a cruise.
I generally got that too.
I wasn't.
No, Aaron. What happened?
I didn't got suspended.
Was he? No way he was out somewhere. No, he hasn't maxed one.
No, he has not. Yeah, that's fine.
But it's still good last time. It's just not like a month. No, he sits at my table and then once he does it,
For what? Background?
not it.
Ugly sister.
Bro,
Yeah, she's seen it.
that's too great, bro. Then it's a girl calling me.
You should have seen when he called on me today, bro.
Oh, Mr. Graham.
I was on my phone. I just said at the moment of the interact. It's him. I meant to say she was into appearances. Said that she was into him, bro.
Not bad.
God. So probably.
No, I think it was a polite fun me because of the dumbass answer. And that like dumb is like there's so not bad, but like bad worded. You know what I mean?
Yeah, phone was in front of the house. In front of the Hope Drew doesn't cowboy, by the way.
Hope was really cool.
Hope is super funny.
She was cursing at me the past couple times kids open up the door.
He was what?
She's cursing at me every time kids open up the door.
Yeah.
Because I don't go to pick up to get the door. It's her buddy.
It wasn't her buddy. Alexi's not her.
Someone in that area.
But Morelli was not her.
I needed to make sure.
I'm heading to the gym after this. You actually locked in.
Better end game.
Did you win, Jay?
Of course.
What do you mean, of course?
Can let him beat me.
I know your son's gonna beat you.
It is a couple of them. I don't really know.
You're getting beaten by a high school style freshman. How do you feel?
Huh?
You're getting beaten by a high school freshman in big ball. How do you feel?
You guys get beat by who?
Does Devin beat you in big ball?
Yeah. That was a genius, you know.
Yeah. What do you think about losing to a little kid?
I actually got beat him on the last tournament.
Oh. Okay, you're still ass though. It's still buns.
But he beat me for like 4 months.
Yeah.
Yeah. But when I cannot beat
The Cardinals under pressure.
Yeah. Season like
You beat him like once, bro. How many times he beat you, bro?
too many can I think.
okay, last year doesn't count because of shit. Like generally shit.
Am I better than you were at the end of last year?
Yeah.
You were.
Oh, it's terrible.
I'll give you a month and I'll beat you, bro.
Give me a month and that'll be the best thing.
Nothing.
Well, Andrew, do you know he's not the problem?
You want to be the best thing, you have to beat me.
Janice.
Oh, wait, which
It's like 4 of them.
The monkey one?
The one thing, bro. The one that was like, it's really
Oh,
bad.
really?
Yeah.
They by yourself?
Yeah, it took me 3 minutes.
Take it 3 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yes, Aiden called me and sent me the call. So I did.
Nice.
I told him don't put on Team A now.
Yes.
I don't want to be on
Pull up on Thursdays.
No.
Be match today.
I'm good, man.
Bad conference.
I'm good. I don't want to be there.
No baby.
No, y'all got to worry about how you want to be there. I'm here to Ollie.
You thought that by yourself.
Because my sister like a year ago like taught me like something, and it like helped me with problems. Like I can show you my work. It was the most neat thing I've ever done in my life. But then he gave me the.
It is actually.
It's like no, but Jay saw the work. He can appreciate the work. I was cooking up.
No, I bet you did great, bro. But I'm so lost.
I just thought about it the right way. I like really did. It just look at the Chinese Wi-Fi phone. That's how I tried to do it. Because it has the same limit. The Chinese Wi-Fi has -2 to 2. It's not that the -2 to 2. So I knew it was gonna be symmetry problem.
This is why you gotta learn how to make more ping pong balls this year.
Yeah, what happened to all of them?
Yeah, we like.
You should give community service hours to people who stay after school to pick up the balls. People will do it. Like, I'm not gonna do it because shit, I'm done. But like people would.
Miss Vincent.
I haven't heard that name in a while. Vincent.
Sunday, 10 o'clock.
I've been in Philly because like last day of school,
Okay.
I let him win because it was like it seemed like
What?
something like that.
Oh, the green green.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let me see, guys.
Drugs.
Drugs.
You're gonna give Devin the drugs.
Yes.
Are we sure it'd be Devin who's
Well,
getting the drugs?
What's it called? The carbon monoxide? Yeah.
I'm gonna give him carbon monoxide poisoning to 3D printers. And it's here it is.
Wait,
My
can you
bad.
get
Like,
carbon
my
monoxide?
electronic-
Like 10 years ago.
Signature?
Yeah,
They got better now.
Dude, I would have never thought to add them like this.
I just thought about it because they both mean the same thing, and the integral like essentially it's solvable unless you put do something to it. So
That's why the printers that are enclosed are better.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Mine's open.
I feel too. I don't know.
I have
It's not
one.
like I like doing.
Oh, no,
just
no,
like
no,
I
no.
do it for like school. Same thing happened in saxophone for me. I lost all interest.
And no, it helps with moisture.
And I kind of like teaching it for fun, and then did another one.
Moisture and it's controlled temperature.
Which one? This one. This one is easy.
We did this for
It was like.
All I kept doing is spin and I just couldn't return it. Life of me.
We've been doing that for literally a month now.
You suck.
What was that same
It's
spin?
not that fun.
My friend Sergey came to
The 80 there.
Oh, I want to see a match.
Baby, how dropped are they? How bad are the 80 kids?
I want to see a match. Ping pong match between the Hanzhedong and 123.
Do you think you're like the upper half of AB's?
Like average.
Mr. A, how bad is AB this year?
It's pretty bad. There's a lot of absence issue. There's
Do you think Fabian should do math comp for team 3?
Fabian. If you want to do.
We need a fourth person.
I got like a 50% on the organization.